because I want to give my daughter the best life that she deserves. And as I mentioned a while ago that I'm a single mom, I am depending on a single stream of income. And it's just, and for me, like having that, and I want to achieve the dreams and goals that I have in my life. And for me, like being depending on that income is just impossible. And so I looked for ways and opportunity online that can be able to help me fulfill my dreams. And then I came across this ad, and then I check it out, and I watched the webinar just you guys are watching right now. And I really, when I watched the webinar, I was like literally crying because of the testimonials of the people in the panel. Like I was so inspired of how they are willing to take action to be able to change their life. And that's what I really want to do. I want a business that will make it happen for me to fulfill my dreams. And so after the webinar, I joined right away, and ever since, I never looked back. And for now, I quit my job last year. I am a full-time mom, as I just said, and I am a job quitter. And it's just so nice that I went home to the Philippines 6 months to take care of my parents. And my dad had a brain surgery, and I just have to go to the Philippines. And it's just so nice to have that personal freedom that you have. Like just Mike is saying a while ago, like the taste of that personal freedom, that's the one that I really felt when I decided to just quit my 3 jobs and go see my family in the Philippines to take care of the people who matters to me the most. And for me, that is something that money just can't buy. And for those of you who are here, and just for those of you who already joined, congratulations on taking your first step, and welcome to our amazing group. And I wish you the best. And that's all for me today, Mike.